Select the head and make a duplicate. Press View Selected. Select hair area. Right-click on the model and choose Invert Selection. Delete selected faces. Fix the borders of the hair area. Make it look more natural. Select the object and make a duplicate. Select an area for long hair. Invert Selection and delete. Now select the object and press Extrude. Type Off and keep faces together. Pull the faces out and scale them down. Go to Attribute Editor and find Extrude tab. Find Random and increase it. Change the position of extruded faces, randomly moving and rotating them. Press Extrude again, scale down and pull out. When it's done, select the object and press Soften Edge. Select Grab Tool and move the hair to position you want. Press Shift to switch to Smooth mode of sculpting. When it's done, find and select the rest of the hair area and press Extrude. The next thing I'm making is eyebrows. Create a cube, press Ctrl+Shift+D, go to Channel Box, find Scale X and type -1. Select all faces and drag them to the required position. Use multi-cut and move tools to make a simple shape of eyebrows. In the end, select these edges and press Bevel. Now it's time for beard. Make a duplicate of the head and select the beard area. Invert Selection and delete. Fix the shape by multi-cut and move tool. When the shape is done, select the object and press Remesh. Now it's full of random triangular faces. Go to Attribute Editor and find Poly Remesh tab. Change the max edge length and collapse threshold until all triangles are randomly placed. Clear the history to avoid errors in future. Press Quadrangulate to turn triangles to quads. Select the object and press Extrude. Turn off Keep Faces Together and reduce scale. Invert Selection and delete. Now we got lots of separated faces. Press Extrude, reduce scale, then do the same as we did for hair.